Hey everyone, so I want to take a quick second to tell you about the app OneNote. It's an extremely helpful tool on the iPad that can be used in various classes across all disciplines. And I like to use it because it allows me to write and draw any notes that I couldn't do on my computer. So right when I go in, I go to the draw tab at the top and it allows me to choose what writing utensil I would like to use. So a pen or a highlighter. When you go in, you can choose any color that you would like. You can also choose the size. If you're like me, you need to see things blown up because your vision is horrible, you can do that. Or if you like to preserve space, you can also do that as well. Something else that I think is really cool about it is the lasso feature over here. I tend to use this a lot. If you tap it, you can choose any writing that you've already done. You can blow it up some more, or you can make it smaller, or move it around if you have a lot of other things written and you need to preserve more space. So I thought that was a really cool tool on the app that maybe a lot of people didn't notice. Also, if you want to, you can use the option of typing out your notes, which a lot of people tend to do as well. If you hit the home button, you can go in and you can immediately start typing per usual, just like you would on your computer. And you can go in, you can choose the font size, bold italics, all those things that you have on your computer in Word. You can also do bullet points and you can do numbers. You can do indents, anything that you could possibly do in the Word app, you can also do on OneNote as well. Something also really cool about this app is that you can insert tables, you can insert pictures. If you go back to insert, you can add in pictures and PDFs, and this was really helpful for me when I was actually studying for the MCAT because I needed to draw out different diagrams. I needed to add in pictures because I'm a visual learner. So I think this really helped me when I was studying. And this is just an example so you guys can see that I added in my pictures. You can also draw on the pictures if needed. You can draw arrows to things that you need to remember, circle things. Is very helpful if you like to use pictures when learning. And something else really cool about this app is that it is a part of the Microsoft Office package. So this means that you can pull up these same notes on other devices such as your phone and your computer. So I really enjoyed this aspect of the app because I was able to take notes like these that I couldn't take on my computer. You see here I had to draw out these diagrams. I had to draw out a lot of equations and things like that I just couldn't really do on my computer. So this was really helpful for me because I could write them on OneNote and then also still pull them up on my computer later for studying. So ultimately, this app is just a really good tool that I think all students should get familiar with if they haven't already, and it's definitely something that I'll continue to use in the future.